Are you a tenant? Have you ever been the victim of illegal eviction practices? Hi, I'm Simon Dippenaar and I'm an attorney. I hope you have never experienced this, but I'm going to tell you how you can counter an illegal eviction in case it happens in future. The rental housing market is competitive, and in the Western Cape there is more demand for property than there is supply. This can lead to some landlords to behave inappropriately. But as a tenant, you have rights and landlords have responsibilities. Now, I want to say first that the vast majority of landlords are honest and respectful of their tenants. However, it does happen that a landlord occasionally abuses their position. If you find yourself facing an illegal eviction, what are your rights and what can you do about it? You may only be evicted from a property by means of a court order. Any eviction other than an authorized one by a court is illegal. The Prevention of Illegal Eviction from and Unlawful Occupation of Land Act, PI, contains specific regulations that govern the eviction process. Any action that contravenes these regulations is deemed to be an illegal eviction, and the courts take this very seriously. But what are some of the things a landlord might do that are in breach of the law? All of the following activities are illegal. Lockouts. Now, landlords may not change locks, deny you access to your home, or unlawfully dispossess you from the property to force you out. This is illegal and is a violation of your rights, which continue to be in force even if you are in arrears with rental payments. Second, utility disconnections. Cutting off essential services like water, electricity, or gas is strictly prohibited without following the proper legal channels. Verbal or threatening behavior. A landlord cannot verbally or physically force you to leave your home without obtaining a court order for eviction. Now, harassment. Continually disturbing or harassing you with the intention of making your living conditions unbearable is illegal, and you have the right to seek against your landlord if this happens. If any of these actions lead to dispossession, in other words, if you are removed from your home, you may be able to apply to the court for a spoliation order. Spoliation simply means you have been wrongfully deprived of your right of possession. If the magistrate is satisfied that you have been unlawfully dispossessed without the landlord following the necessary legal procedure, they will grant an order for possession to be reinstated. The provisions of the Rental Housing Act are clear on your rights as a tenant. They include the right not to have your person or home searched, your property searched, or your possessions seized unless the landlord has first obtained an order of court. If your landlord wants to evict you, a written lease cancellation or eviction notice must first be served on you by the sheriff. This notice has to offer you a minimum of 1 month to vacate the property. A court date is then set and a deadline given for filing an opposing affidavit. If you want to oppose the eviction, your landlord cannot evict you without going through this court procedure. If you are being harassed or victimized by your landlord, you are not helpless, but you mustn't respond with equally unlawful behavior. Instead, stay calm and be methodical in your approach. Document everything. Keep a record of all the communication and incidents related to the eviction, including notices received, dates, times, and any evidence of harassment or illegal actions. Now, seek legal advice. Consult with a qualified attorney, such as ST Law, to understand your rights and the legal avenues available to you. Lodge a complaint. Report any illegal eviction practices to the Rental Housing Tribunal, Department of Human Settlements, or your local municipality. They can provide guidance and resolve disputes. Now, court intervention. If all of these approaches fail, consider applying for an urgent interdict at your local court to protect your rights and prevent the eviction until a proper court hearing takes place. I can help you with this. Now, illegal eviction practices are a violation of your rights and can cause significant distress. Don't panic. Know your rights and understand the legal process. This will enable you to deal effectively with the situation. Now, I've been handling landlords and tenants maintain healthy working relationships for over a decade. If you think you are being treated unfairly by your landlord or you are facing illegal eviction practices, give me a call on the number in the signature below. I can help you.